Today, on Documentify TV, we are unraveling an incredible story from 1.5 million years ago, where ancient footprints in Kenya reveal a fascinating chapter of early human history. Scientists have uncovered evidence suggesting that two distinct early human species, Homo erectus and Paranthropus Boisei, walked the same lakeshore within mere hours or days of each other. This discovery is not just about ancient footprints, it's a profound glimpse into a world long gone, shedding light on the coexistence of these species in the same environment. The footprints were found on the eastern shore of Lake Turkana in Kenya at a site called Koobi Fora. Initially, researchers stumbled upon a single hominin footprint in 2021 during an excavation. The following year, a more extensive dig uncovered a 249 square foot area containing 12 footprints in a straight line, likely made by a single Boisei individual. Nearby, they found 3 more isolated prints attributed to H. erectus, along with tracks from ancient animals like horse-like creatures, cow-like animals, and even a giant extinct stork. What makes this discovery extraordinary is the proximity in time of the footprints. The impressions were made in muddy ground and quickly covered by sediment, preserving them almost perfectly. This suggests the two species could have been present at the same spot within hours of each other. Such a snapshot in time offers an unprecedented opportunity to consider how these ancient beings might have interacted. Through detailed 3D imaging and anatomical analysis, researchers identified differences in gait and foot structure that confirmed the presence of two species. Paranthropus Boisei left the linear trail of 12 prints. Known for its flat feet, small brain, and powerful jaw adapted for tough plant foods, this species went extinct a few 100,000 years after leaving these marks. Meanwhile, the scattered footprints were linked to Homo erectus, a species with a larger brain, more human-like anatomy, and an omnivorous diet that included meat to support its greater energy needs. H. erectus survived for at least another million years and expanded its range across the globe. Interestingly, fossil evidence indicates that H. erectus and P. boisei shared the Koobi Fora region for as long as 100,000 years. The differing diets of these species might explain how they coexisted. While P. boisei primarily consumed grass-like plants, H. erectus had a much more varied diet, possibly reducing direct competition for resources. Paleoanthropologists have likened this scenario to an ancient convenience store where each species found its own preferred items. Despite this evidence, the nature of their interactions remains a mystery. Did these species avoid each other, compete for resources, or simply tolerate each other? Could they have occasionally interbred, as later human species did? These are questions that may never be fully answered, but the footprints provide tantalizing clues. They remind us that human evolution was not a linear path, but a complex web of adaptations, experiments, and coexistence. The implications of this discovery stretch beyond mere academic curiosity. They challenge us to think about the dynamics of survival and interaction in a shared environment. In a world where humans often struggle with coexistence, this ancient story of harmony, or at least tolerance, between two very different species offers food for thought. As we reflect on these footprints, it's worth considering how much more the Earth has to reveal. Every discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of our past, reminding us of the resilience and adaptability of life through the ages. The story of Homo erectus and Paranthropus Boisei is not just about survival, but about navigating a world of shared spaces and limited resources. Their paths, preserved in mud, speak of a moment frozen in time, a reminder of how far we've come and how much we have yet to understand. That's it for today's video, folks. See you next time, right here on Documentify TV.